Hello everyone! If you look at this picture, you may guess what the video is about. It isn't only about flowers, though there will be a lot of them. I would like to talk to you about gardening. Unfortunately, this type of gardening is not common in my town. I invite you to look at some British houses and sceneries around them. While you're looking through the photos, I'll tell you some facts about gardening in Great Britain. Gardening for pleasure and beauty is one of the most favorite hobbies in Britain. Due to the very mild climate, it is possible to enjoy gardening all the year round. Even semi-detached and terraced houses have their own gardens. The British don't usually grow vegetables in their gardens. They do the gardening for enjoyment. All the gardens are arranged in great taste, and most of them have a unique design. The British are very proud of their gardens and often organize different competitions for the best garden. In London, where there is hardly any space for even a small private garden, people try to grow plants and flowers in their balconies. I got used to balcony garden views so much that sometimes I miss them in my hometown. Camborne, the place where I stayed, is a suburb of Cambridge. It is like a village, and that's why there are a lot of detached and semi-detached houses there. Almost all of them have their own gardens. Today I'm going to show you the garden of my host family. I remember when I saw the house where I was to stay in, the fence in front of the house and a small tree near it. I said to my host Les, "You have got a small garden." "It just seems small," he smiled. I was fortunate to live in a room with a garden view. Every day I could see the beauty of the garden and a wonderful sunset. When I asked my hostess Marie to let me take some photos of their garden, she was glad to show it. Also, I noticed that she was really proud of it. She said that not all families had the landscape design like that. Right now, I'm in the garden with my camera. I hope the video will convey the beauty and calm atmosphere of the garden. My hosts hired a professional landscape designer to help them work out a plan of their future garden. And now we can see the result of their work. I'm not a big design expert, but you can see that it was done in good taste. You can stop the video and talk about the names of some plants. To be honest, I don't know the names of the plants even in Russian. As for me, I think that the most useful things in the garden are 2 sunbeds and a sun umbrella. Les agreed with me. They really like to lay on their sunbeds and relax when the weather is sunny. Another comfortable place in their garden is at a big table. Sometimes we had dinner at this table. Usually it was a barbecue, which Les was doing right here. They were lovely dinners in the wonderful company of hosts and students. Usually, Les and Marie stayed here after dinner to have a cup of coffee and watch the sunset. Now it's time for some questions. How did you like this video? It is my first question. Do the British usually grow vegetables in their gardens? What is Camborne? Who did the design project of the garden? How do the hosts spend their time in the garden? Would you like to have a garden like this one? Okay, it is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Bye for now.